Good morning, everyone. We are here to do round 2 of our videos. First, we're going to introduce ourselves again. I am Megan Isaacson. I am the Associate Principal at Island Park and Northwood Elementary.
Hi, I'm David Hoffman, Principal at Island Park Elementary School.
And good morning, I'm Carol Best, Principal at West Mercer.
I'm Amy Batliner-Gillette, Principal at Northwood.
Morning, everybody. Heidi Christensen, Principal at Lake Ridge.
And I'm Jill Kelly. I'm the Associate Principal at Lake Ridge and West Mercer.
So our short video today will just give some updates on what's going to be coming up for getting ready to get back to school in September. Let's hear what we have going on.
I'm sure everyone is wondering when teacher names will be released. So last week, we opened our offices in our schools and we're getting new registrations daily. You also received a survey asking you to select a learning model preference. That closes today. And then we will take all that information, our new registrations and the selection options data, and we will reconfigure and readjust our class rosters. And we want to make sure that when we do release our teacher names, that they are accurate and updated. So look for that information to come out on August 28th, which is very similar to the time that we release information every year. Thank you for your patience.
We've been really busy getting ready for the start of school. Not only are we thinking about class lists, we're thinking about how your student will best learn at home. So each school, each site is developing plans for picking up what we're calling a at-home learning packet. So in this packet or this kit will be the school supplies that you purchased, any additional school supplies that we think are important for your child to learn at home. There will be workbooks and some manipulatives and things that will really help them be involved in their learning from home. So be looking for communication from your building principal about the day and the time that you can pick up those kits for your child.
The thing that I think all of us are most excited for is getting to make connections with the kids and the families as we welcome them back to the school year. So as we have traditionally done every year, we have an open house system that we engage families in, and it's obviously going to look a little bit different this year, but we know that our teachers are very eager to connect with families, connect with parents, connect with kids, and make that first contact to get to know them. So again, we're looking forward to that kind of open house process to kick off the school year. Watch for communication from your building principal about when that will and what the specific details will be. We're looking forward to seeing you.
Speaking of seeing you, I know we're all working on getting planned and getting connected. So I'm going to point you should have received an email from Andreeves Ronzer, our Director of Informational Technology, on Sunday, August 9th, giving you all the information for picking up or dropping off iPads, getting a Wi-Fi hotspot for your home so that you can connect efficiently and stay connected throughout the school year. So please, if you haven't seen it, make sure that you check out that email, look for that email in your inboxes very soon. It contains all of the links to any forms or informational websites that you need to go to. It's important because next week starts our at each building starts our technology pickup events. So next week, Island Park kicks off the week on Tuesday, August 18th, 9 to noon. There will be a technology iPad pickup day. It looks like it's both Tuesdays, actually consecutive Tuesdays, Tuesday, August 18th, and then Tuesday, August 25th. Followed by West Mercer will be on Wednesday, August 19th, 9 to noon, followed by the next Wednesday, August 26th, 9 to noon. Lake Ridge will be Wednesday, August 19th as well, 9 to noon, and Wednesday, August 26th, 9 to noon. And then Northwood wraps up the week with Thursday, August 20th, 9 to noon, and Thursday, August 27th, 9 to noon. So again, make sure you're looking for that email. It also has links to the help desks by each level of our schools, so elementary, middle, and high school.
As we've all said, we are so looking forward to getting to be back in touch with you and your students. And we appreciate you giving us time to share our thoughts with you over these videos. We appreciate you watching them. Be on the lookout for next week. We will have more topics. That topic will be to be discussed, if you will, but we will see you next week. Same channel. Thank you.